Alright, Pedro, here's almost 1 o'clock, or it might be 1 o'clock. We're here, we're just eating at the lodge. We got some cheese balls. They look incredible. And they taste like an angel. Over there, if you'll see, is where we drank Monster last year. That was good. There's Pastor Brad. Looking good. Nate with his $6,000 meal. You don't know Jamie, but she's pretty cool.
Actually, I've met him once.
You met him once? Oh yeah,
Yep.
Yeah. She was the weird girl with her sister who was taking pictures at that party we went to.
Yeah.
Anyway, still miss you. We're having a great time. It's nice and sunny. Yeah. So I'm sure you'll hear from me again, but I'm gonna eat now.